Hey there! Imagine this common scenario. You have a data frame with data for each year in columns, and you need to structure this data into a JSON format to send it via an API request. The problem arises when you need to pair the year with its corresponding value for each entry in the JSON. Now let's delve into the solution. The first step is to use the transpose, rename _ access, reset _ index, and to _dict methods to convert the data frame into a list of dictionaries, where each dictionary represents a pair of period, year, and total value. Continuing with the solution, we can then assign this list of dictionaries to the OverrideData key in the parameters dictionary. This way, each dictionary entry contains the period and total pair in the desired JSON format. Finally, by following these steps, we end up with a JSON-style structure that includes the period and total pairs for each year, perfectly formatted for the API request. In summary, by applying the provided solution using Pandas methods, we successfully transform the data frame into a structured JSON format ready to be passed in an API request. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to tackle the problem at hand. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Remember, Pandas got your back when it comes to data manipulation.